Welcome back, my friends, to another job lead video. If you are new here, my name is Lindsay and I am always searching the internet trying to bring you the best work from home job leads there are. So if you're not subscribed, please do that and turn on your notifications so you never miss another job lead posted from me. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. That gives me feedback that these jobs I am posting are actually helpful to someone. We will keep this one very quick, short, and to the point. This one is for all of my international viewers out there because they are hiring anywhere in the world. So United States, India, Canada, doesn't matter where you're at, South Africa, Nigeria. I'm trying to remember where all my viewers are at. I know I asked y'all in a poll just so that I could specifically find stuff for you. MailerLite is a company that bloggers use to sign up, to get people to sign up for their email newsletters, and then they can market to them through email. So if you've ever been on a website, probably searching for how to make money online, and you get this pop-up that says, get this free email guide now of 5 ways you can make money online, and you have to type in your little email address into the little pop-up box, and then when you check your email, there's your little guide delivered to you. That is through an email marketing service, and MailerLite is one of those services that a lot of bloggers use, and so they are hiring an email designer. So this job does not require any kind of degree, but you do need some experience. So they want someone who is interested in emails and enjoys creating them and has a few good tips to share about designing emails and marketing emails. They want someone who knows about HTML and CSS because their emails will be based around that, so the images can be added into it, color can be added to the typography. Someone who knows Adobe Photoshop or Sketch or Figma, someone who knows knowledge of color theory, grid layout, typography, and graphic design. They want you to be able to create emails that kind of look like newsletters. And you need to also have great verbal and written communication skills in English and have great attention to detail. Now, this job does come with great perks. The salary range is $40,000 to $60,000 a year, depending on experience, but that is the salary stated. It does not say it's dependent upon the country that you are located in. And so it is a remote work from home all over the world job. They do offer vacation, health insurance, all the standards. One thing I found cool is they offer a parenting budget. So if you become a parent through childbirth or adoption, you get a budget as a gift to buy gifts for your new child. I've not seen companies really do this. They do give you a budget annually for your home office setup and personal development and leisure trips. I'm not sure what that means. And the most important of all, they give you a MACBOok and other tools that will help you do your job efficiently. So you get a free computer, you get all the equipment you need. All you need to do is do the job. So if you have made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I will be back very soon with another job lead for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.